Hello and welcome to Brandy's Poetry Corner. When I was about 7 years old, I wanted to be a beatnik. I didn't really know what they were, but I sort of wanted to be one. Well, there you are. But actually, in suburban Southampton, this was really not an option, especially if you were 7. Later on in life, I took to collecting these little books, these little pocket poets, because they were just such nice covers. And they have so many different kinds of poems and poets. And this one is the beat poets. I love the way it's got quotation marks around the word beat. The beat poets who arose in the late 40s, early 50s in America. Look them up if you want to know more about them. I'm going to read you a selection of poems from this little book called Beat Poets, one of the pocket poets. It was, when it was new, 4 shillings, which is 20p. There you are, times change. This first poem is by someone called Paul Carroll. I think what it's immediately about to me, it's he had a friend who was a painter who used to do sort of wild, surreal paintings and is now doing proper still lifes. And I think Paul is sort of missing the other kind of paintings, which is sort of me anyway. So it is called Still Life, Tankard, Sun and Avocado Plant by Paul Carroll. Whatever happened to that Bavarian pear made of beeswax you found in some old candy store around North Avenue? Its stem a key. Inside, that tiny doll also of wax, with petticoats of Alice blue and conical cap of tinsel. Or those balloon-like ladies who might have been the winds of spring, flitting to what old-fashioned sin on tandem bicycles. They're put away, along with all those prints of clowns who can't sing, and hares with ears like icicles hopping about the prints. Who would look like a young ailanthus tree if he were not just invisible, just fantasy? Even that oil you did of me in Freak Show Barker's gaudy vest and stiff black hat? Stuck somewhere in the closet, hid behind the brooms. It's best. For now I squander hours just trying to capture on canvas the dark leaves of the avocado growing inside this bell glass jar, or how a wrist rests on a hip, or how a brass tankard transfigures that hard fall of winter light upon it. Still, once you painted revelations of women whose cells of blood were attics with a burnt-out moon, of babies all puffed up like turkey gobblers on Thanksgiving tables, of letters the dead dispatch, and ballrooms to which drop and parachutes the souls, of Jewish housewives dressed as duchesses, your soul itself a pincushion or looking-glass on which such revelations could stick or pass. Yes, lust so full of cant and selfish, enough to see these labyrinthine veins in the avocado plant. Thank you. For more poems read by me, look me up, Brandy Pearson, on YouTube. Thank you.